For some other columns, we may need to change their style, like this round one. We can select it and change it to rectangular. But we will need to assign a proper profile. We have already seen that if the desired profile is not available within the list of predefined sizes, we can just choose Other and define here the dimensions we want. But rather than that, we will create a new size for this specific style to have available for the list of predefined sizes. So let's open the column styles dialog, doing right click here. Let's select the rectangular style, and from the sizes tab we will create a new size. Let's call this 200 by 200 millimeters. Define the dimensions. And that's it. Taking advantage that we are here in the column styles dialog, we can move to the attributes tab and assign a solid hatch pattern for this rectangular style, and also for the round style that we are also using in this model. We click OK. All columns will show a solid hatch pattern now, and in this case we can now select the 200 by 200 millimeters size that we have just created.